last one that we're going to show you here at All Fired Up is the 500cc Venom. And this one has all the Clubman editions on it. 1960. Lovely alloy rims on it. Twin leading shoe front brakes. So remember to hit the subscribe button, and more importantly, if you're in Coffs Harbour first weekend in January any year, 2nd and 3rd of January, come along to the Coffs Harbour Showground, have a look at All Fired Up Motorcycle Expo, or better still, bring your motorbike. Absolutely all types of motorbikes are welcome, and each year we have some feature marquee, and this year one of our feature bikes was the Velocette. So hit the subscribe button and also watch for future episodes from All Fired Up 2021.